Frequently asked questions. How does the system work? The camera measures and takes photographs at the same time. This data is then used to draw floor plans, and they are then integrated into a virtual tour. What kind of devices can I connect to the system? Any tablet or smartphone that has Wi-Fi and a browser can be connected. Android, iOS, large or small, it's really a matter of personal preference. You can also switch devices at any time you wish, so that means you can experiment with any device you have laying around to see which one you prefer. How much storage space does it have? The camera uses a conventional USB drive for storage, so it can be upgraded or replaced easily at any time. The average amount of data for a single property is between 500 megabytes and about a gigabyte, so the included USB drive can hold 16 to 32 properties worth of data. Can I edit the images later? Images taken with the iGUIDE camera are saved as JPEGs. This means they can be edited in any image editing software you like. What tripod can I use? Any sturdy tripod that will hold at least 10 pounds is fine. The best tripods are those with a slim profile, ball head being the most common. A tripod head that is too large can appear in the panoramas. Do I have to leave the room while I'm shooting? No, you can stand directly behind the camera and avoid being captured by the lens and laser scan. How long does it take to map a house? It takes half an hour to map a 3,000 square foot single family home. Is there a subscription fee, and how many iGUIDEs can I host online at one time? There is no monthly subscription fee. You can host an unlimited number of iGUIDEs. The iGUIDE processing fee includes 1 year of hosting, and there would be a renewal fee for anything after that. For more information, please visit goiguide.com.